This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Zacconi Riviera here. I did a tune-up on the machine, so replacing the sight glass here and all the gaskets that are on this piston and the group head gasket. And I'll show you here some of the old ones. Look like this. So the machine was leaking before, and these gaskets are the cause of the leak. So also replaced the gaskets here, and that's about it. Just deep cleaned this group head. The machine was also the pressure was too high on the machine, so I also went in and adjusted the pressure stat underneath. So now it's just sitting at about like 1.25 bars. So I'm just going to pull a shot. So there's that. And then I'll show you the steam. I'll put just a towel underneath here. Nice strong steam. And that's about it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching.